I just sent out a few quotes via some people over the net, and Saudi was pretty quick to get back to me with a phone call, and we just basically took it from there.
I found Esteem through Facebook ads, and also through flyers on the bus, and also on the streets nearby. And I was also referred by a friend at the end.
I think the last experience that we had with Esteem was really good. So that gave us that confidence to, engage again with you guys and give you the opportunity to sort of help us build our dream home.
Oh, definitely. I think it also where we should support the local businesses as well. We have recommended Esteem to our friends.